Hello, everyone. Okay, I got another little treat to show y'all. Y'all need to check out my other little short I just put out. We got some new babies and they're baby cardinals. You got to go see them. But anyway, this is something. Walking into our garage now. Yes, it is. It is what it is. We have a little bit of everything out here. But let's talk about bird nests in strange places. You see this rack here on the wall? We hang up different cords and paint and stuff. Look in there. Look in that paint bucket. Is that not neat? They did it last year. They came back again this year. They root nest in our garage. We get them every year.